Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a desktop shortcut for Google Sheets in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Sheets. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear in this window. And once a best match, which is Google Sheets, would appear, please click on this option called Open File Location, which is next to Run as Administrator. So eventually, you would be redirected to this kind of location. From here, you need to make a right click, okay, and go with this copy icon. The moment you have copied it, close the window, make a right click here, and go with the paste icon. In that way, you have just successfully created a desktop shortcut for Google Sheets in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you would like also to pin it to your taskbar for easy access, you can simply make a right click as well. And from here, go with this last option, which is show more options. Okay, and we just have to wait until a new window would appear, which is this go and pin to taskbar. And in that way, you would be able to pin that here as well as in your taskbar. Okay, so this is good for easy access. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.